Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I came to you to explain IPE 2021 board exams for AP and Telangana from Maths 2A subject. Okay, I am going to giving that weightage of the all the topics from Maths 2A. Okay, yes, from the Maths 2A we have 10 topics are there. Complex numbers, De Mor's theorem, quadratic expressions, theory of equations, permutation and combination, binomial theorem, partial fractions, measure of dispersion, probability and random variables. Yes, and we have 2 marks questions, 4 marks questions and 7 marks questions from those topics. Okay, so first of all I am going to explaining about the 2 marks questions weightage from these topics. Okay, so from that complex number you are going to get that 2 questions. Okay, from the De Mor's theorem 1 question, yes, from the quadratic expressions 1 question, from the theory of equations 1 question, yes, and from the permutations and combinations, yes, 1 question from the permutation and 1 question from the combination, yes, and 1 question from the binomial theorem. Okay, and from the partial fractions no 2 marks question, measure of dispersion 1 question, probability no question, random variables 1 question, right. Totally 2 plus 3 5 7 8 9 10 questions. Yes, so from the section A 10 questions you are going to write all the questions, no choice from the section A. Okay, coming to the section B 4 marks questions. Oh, from the 4 marks questions complex number, so there is 1 question complex numbers, no question from the De Mor's theorem and 1 question from the quadratic expressions, no question from the theory of equations, right, and again permutations and combinations 2 questions, right, and from binomial theorem no question, right, from the partial fraction 1 question, right, and measure of dispersion no question, and from the probability you are going to get the 2 questions, measure of dispersion no question. Okay, let us see 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 4 5 plus 2 7 questions are there. Of course you know that from the 7 questions you are going to write that 5 questions, 5 4 so 20 marks. Okay, so this is about that weightage of the 4 marks questions from that various topics. From section 3 coming to that 7 marks questions, right, from the complex number no 7 marks question, so De Mor's theorem 1 7 marks question is there. Okay, from the quadratic expressions no 7 marks question, from the theory of equation 1 question is there, right, and permutation and combination no 7 marks question, yes, and from the binomial theorem there are 2 questions, 2 questions from the binomial theorem, from the partial fractions no 7 marks question, measure of dispersion 1 question is there, and from the probability 1 question, from the random variables 1 question. Okay, yes, from the section 3 also you are going to get that 7 questions, 1 2 plus 2 4 5 6 7 questions. Of those 7 questions you are going to write that 5 questions. Okay, yes, this is about that weightage of the topics from the Maths 2A. Okay, you are going to get that a clear idea from this one. Okay, next I am going to explain that the blueprint of the 2A from the section A, section B and section C. Okay, come on, have a look. Okay students, so coming to the blueprint from the Maths 2A paper, the first 2 questions, from the complex numbers. Okay, so particularly from the complex numbers, square root of a complex number, very important concept, square root of a complex number. Okay, yes, based on that questions, and one more question is the from the complex numbers, this is about that amplitude. Okay, based on that amplitude some relations are there. Okay, so we may get that questions like this. Okay, this from the complex numbers first 2 questions, and coming to the third question is the De Mor's theorem. Okay, yeah, from the De Mor's theorem the problems we may get generally based on the problems ITA, in terms of I problem is there, or else okay, or else from the second question or from the third question transforming the complex number into polar amplitude form, or cube root of unity, we may get the questions from the cube roots of unity from the De Mor's theorem, there may be a chance for third question. Okay, yes, coming to that fourth question, quadratic expressions. Okay, from the quadratic expressions so many questions are there. Okay, particularly basic questions, the relation between that roots and coefficients, I mean symmetry of the roots, sum of the roots, product of the roots, based on so many questions are there. okay, and nature of the roots, okay. After that signs, sign of sign of leading quotient and the quadratic expression, okay, we may get the chances there. And what is the minimum and maximum value of the quadratic expression and quadratic inequations, there may be a chance to get that from the quadratic expression, okay. And from that the theory of equations. Fifth question is from the theory of equations. So, from the theory of equations, so we may get the questions from the third degree, fourth degree. What is the relation between the coefficients and the roots S1, S2, S3? Okay, that. And roots are given, writing the expressions and relation between them. Okay, like this we will get the questions. And transformed equations, right? And I have got that transformed equations from the theory of equations. Okay, and from the 6th and 7th P and C, one question from the permutations and one question from the combinations. Yeah, from the permutations they may ask that question. Okay, number of permutations with repetition, without repetition, at least one thing is repeated. Okay, the things are repeated, circular permutation, we may get compulsory one question from the permutation, and from the combination also based on the formulas, selection of the things. Okay, yes, and from this one this is about that binomial theorem. Okay, binomial theorem. Okay, the basic questions are: find the middle term, find the coefficient of x power 5, find the constant term from the binomial expansion. Like this we may get the questions. Okay, and this one is the measure of dispersion, measure of dispersion. Okay, so finding the mean and variance of a ungrouped data, like this, standard deviation, ungrouped data, we may get the question. That is about the 9th question. And the 10th question, random variables. Okay, very easy question from this one. Random variables, actually from the topic random variables, 3 categories are there: probability distribution, binomial distribution, and Poisson distribution is there. Okay, so probability distribution we may get the question from that 7 marks question, and binomial distribution question is there, and Poisson distribution question is there. From those 2 topics we may get the question. Okay, like this. So this is about that blueprint from that paper A, 2 marks question, section A. Okay, so in this concept if you are perfect, then easily we will get that totally all the questions. Okay, come on, have a look. And coming to that section B. Okay, yes, from the section B, so 11th question, 12th, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17, 7 questions are there. From this one, okay, 11th question, so complex number. From the complex number, what is the locus of Z which is satisfying a geometrical condition? Is there? Complex numbers concept, very important concept. Of course, from IPA point of view, objective point of view, it's very important concept. What is this? This is locus of Z. Okay, nuts. And they may ask that 4 points are given which is satisfying that rhombus, square, rectangle, like this. We may get the questions. So 4 marks question. Okay. Yes. So from this one, second or 12th question is the quadratic expressions. Okay. Find the range of a function which is in the form of f of x by g of x concept. Okay. Or sines, sign of leading quotient and f of x. We may get the question. That is about that 12th question. Okay. Yes. That is the 11th question and the 12th question. Next to permutations and combinations. Okay. From the permutation, yes, and again from the permutation one question, from the combination one question. Okay. So from the permutation and combination, very important topic. We may get the 2 marks questions and the 4 marks questions. Okay. Yes. And next to partial fractions. 15th question is the partial fractions. So yeah, we have some different models are there, partial fractions. Okay. So the f of x by g of x form is there when the denominator having the linear factors which can be reducible, non-reducible. So like this, some models are there. Okay, we will get that one model compulsory. Yes, and from this one, probability, and here also probability. 2 questions. Yes, so this is about that from section B, 4 marks questions. Okay, yes, if you are following this one, we will get that 7 out of 7 questions. Of course, we need only 5 questions, 5 4 so 20 marks. So actually from this one 10 to 20. Okay, so no choice. So in the out of 7 questions, we are going to write the 5 questions, 5 4s 20 marks. Okay, so that's about that section B. So coming to the section C, just wait. Yeah, so from the section C also we may get the 7 questions. Out of those, you are going to select the 5 questions, each carries 7 marks, 35. Okay, yes, from the 18th question, so this is from the De Moivre's theorem. Okay, so particularly from the De Moivre's theorem, nth root of a complex number. Yes, nth root of a complex number concept, we may get the question compulsory. So from the De Moivre's theorem, yes, and here is the 19th question from the theory of equations. Yes, from the theory of equations, so finding the roots of a 6th degree equation, 5th degree equation, and the important thing is of those reciprocal equation is there, reciprocal equations. Okay, very important thing. Okay, for the 7 marks. So that is 19th question, and 20 and 21. Okay, this is binomial theorem questions. 21 question also binomial theorem question. Yeah, particularly from the 20. So the basic concepts are there, from theorems are there. Okay, yes, we can get the question 20th one, and 21st question is infinite series is there, very important concept. Infinite series, from the infinite series we may get the question compulsory. Okay, so from the binomial theorem 2 questions, and here is measure of dispersions. Okay, measure of finding the standard deviation, mean, variance from that grouped data. Okay, you may get the question measure of dispersion, and here probability. Okay, yes, 7 marks question from the probability. So most probably the very important things from the probability is the that is addition theorem on probability, multiplication theorem on probability, Bayes theorem, and applications of the Bayes theorem from the probability. So very important thing for the 7 marks. And here from the random variables. Yes, so from the random variables, so probability distribution is there. Probability distribution. Yes, so particularly from the random variables, probability distribution. Compulsory question. That is about the 24th question. Yes, students. So this is about the blueprint of the Maths 2A. Okay. If you are perfect about these things, yes, so we get the questions totally. We are going to write that questions. So without any doubt, you will get that full marks. So from the Maths 2A paper. Okay, students, if you like this video, please share to your friends and your juniors. Okay, yes, and please stay tuned to my channel to get one more upcoming video, very interesting video. So until then, bye bye.